This is how to install the brand new performance trigger from Glock into a Gen 5 Glock 19 MOS. Step 1. Clear the firearm. The standard trigger in a Glock 19 is roughly about 5.5 pounds, and the performance trigger is advertised to be around 4 pounds, which will be a big win for Glock. As you can see, step 2 is removing the slide. Step 3, using your punch, remove the 2 pins on the frame. With the pins removed, remove the locking block. Grab your punch and get underneath it. It should pry up fairly easy. Step 5, remove the slide stop. Once the slide stop is removed, the stock trigger will come out with little to no hesitation. Here is a side-by-side comparison of the two triggers. Let me know in the comments below if you see any difference. Step 6, place the new trigger into the frame. Ensure that it's fully seated and is flush to the top of the frame. Step 7, install the slide stop. Step 8, install the locking block. Step 9, reinsert the 2 pins that are on the frame. Last and final step, put the slide back on, do a functions check, and ensure that your firearm is good to go. Right off the bat, I could tell a huge difference, and I went and grabbed my Glock 17 Gen 3. Obviously I'm clearing it now, but I wanted to do a side-by-side trigger pull comparison to see if I could really tell the difference. And man, when you press this trigger, you're feeling every bit of 5.5 pounds. And then with the Glock 19 and the performance trigger, I mean, once you get to the wall, there is no creep. It just immediately goes, it breaks, it's perfect. The Glock 17, as you see, the trigger stayed to the rear, and with the new performance trigger, as soon as you press the trigger, it resets back to its original state. So that's also a plus for getting your reps in and whatnot. If this video helped you out in any way, drop a like and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.